Hello.
Hey, how are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm alright, just a bit tired. Listen, I wanted to ask you something.
Sure, go ahead.
Do your family members express emotions?
Yeah, they do. We're pretty open about how we feel.
That's great. I wish my family were more like that.
Really? How are they different?
They tend to keep their emotions to themselves. It's hard to tell what they're thinking or feeling sometimes.
I can understand how that can be tough. Have you talked to them about it?
I've tried, but they're just not used to expressing themselves that way. It's a bit frustrating, to be honest.
I can imagine. It's important to have open communication within a family.
Yeah, I agree. It's something I've been trying to work on with them.
That's a positive step. It might take some time, but I'm sure they'll appreciate your effort.
I hope so. Thanks for listening, by the way.
Of course, anytime. I'm here for you.
You're the best. How's your day been otherwise?
It's been pretty good. Just catching up on some work and taking it easy. How about you?
Just trying to relax and unwind. Maybe we can meet up later and grab dinner?
That sounds like a plan. I'd love to see you. Let's decide on the details later.
Perfect. Looking forward to it. Talk to you soon.
Absolutely. Take care and talk to you soon. Bye.
Bye.